Hi, my name is William Chen, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on finding the volumes of cross-section. So I'm just going to conceptualize what exactly a cross-section is for a moment. So say you have a parabola like this, right? And we're trying to make a volume of cross-section. These cross-sections will be squares. So basically all you're doing is that you're finding some base in this area and making a square out of it. And find another base, making a square out of it. And basically a volume of cross-section is just a ton of bases, and then you're making squares from those bases, and you're creating a volume out of that. So let's go on to the formula for finding the volume of cross-section. The volume of cross-section is found by taking the integral from a to b of the equation a of x dx. A of x is simply a formula for the area of the cross-section in the terms of the variable x. So all you really need to do is simply define some formula for the area. So let's go on to a particular problem. So say you have the equation x squared plus y squared equals 4. And you have cross sections of squares. So let's first just draw the graphs, see what we are dealing with. So basically you have a circle, radius 2, part of my drawing. So yeah, basically, that's really bad circle, but the area that we're concerned with right now, which is the base of our volume, is this circle. And all you need to do is to think about finding the base of a square. The base of a square would be, say, from here to here. This would be the base of the square. You have another base of the square here, another one here. So in other words, the base of the square can be expressed by the area, which is just the top curve, which is, say, in terms of x, y equals x squared, 4 minus x squared. And the bottom, which is all just the negative of that, 4 minus x squared. So basically, it's the top curve minus the bottom curve. That is the base of your square. And the formula defining the area of a square is simply the base squared. So a equals base squared. So so this top curve minus bottom curve will be 2 times 4 minus x squared. So this squared, that is just your area formula. So the inside, this is your base because, as I said, top curve minus bottom curve, that is the base of every possible square you could form. And then you square that to find your area. So now you have your equation a of x right here. It's in terms of x, and now you just integrate this. So let's get to the problem. So volume thus is from b to a, so this would be in respect to x, so you would have from -2 to 2. And 2, 4 minus x squared dx. So let's just simplify that. This is just basic integration by this point. So you have 4 times 4 minus x squared dx, which is equal to 16 minus 4x squared, which is equal to 16x minus 4 x cubed. 2, -2. So let's just plug this in. 2 times 30 is 32, minus 8, 32 over 3. That minus -2, so -32, plus 32 over 3. So basically, this quantity is just doubled. So let's just say, put a 2 here. So this is, I'm not going to simplify, just need 64 over minus 64 over 3. And so, well, that's your answer. And so that's just a simple tutorial on how to find the volume of a cross-section, and you can use it in many ways, and it's just not too hard. Just remember, you just need to find the area, and then you need to use it in some way, manipulate it to find your equation a of x, and that's all you just need to integrate that. Thank you very much.